colors dancing everywhere around the Christmas tree. Ribbons gently flutter, ornaments aglow. Magic fills the air tonight as winter breezes blow. Laughter fills the evening, carols sweet and clear. Every glowing twinkle brings the Christmas cheer. Smiles across the season, hearts so light and free, gathered in the glow beneath the Christmas tree. Oh, festive Christmas tree, glowing wild and free, lifting every heart in joyful harmony. Lights that twinkle brightly, songs that fill the night. You make this Christmas season feel so warm and bright.